Hi Sania, how are you?
Hello, I am fine and how are you?
I'm also fine. So today I have come with a question for you. That do you think whatever is going on in Delhi is good with the students?
I think student student are very hardworking that that last 20 and 21 year 2 days.
Yeah. They have worked a lot hard, yes?
Yes.
So what do you think? Dharmendra Pradhan should resign or not?
Yes. Also resign.
And that is my dream nowadays that if he resigns then we will have a relief.
Yes. Me also.
What do you think about those NEET aspirants which lost their life because of this leak?
Because everyone have no so much money. There are many low class people.
Yeah. So that is also one point of view that CGP is doing right. Do you support Cockroach Janta Party?
Yes, I support.
Okay, you support Cockroach Janta Party. Okay, fine. Now, right now we are in Agra. So what do you think? Is it bad? Are you feeling guilty or something to be
No,
in
no.
Agra?
I love Agra.
Like you should be at Delhi. Are you feeling like that?
No. I love Agra because Taj Mahal in Agra.
My God. So let me explain you. This protest is going on in Delhi, and many students are facing so many problems. Don't you think we should also be with them there
Yes,
in
yes.
Delhi? Yes,
But my family
is not allowed.
is not allowed.
Okay, that's a part we are very considered about those students which have gone lathi charge. Now I would like to ask from you, who is your favorite politician? Narendra Modi.
No, I don't like.
You don't like him, then who is? I'm giving you
क्या था वो?
options. Rahul Gandhi
Rahul Gandhi because Rahul Gandhi.
is also supporting students.
Yes.
Okay, so he has come to support student. That's why you like him. Do you have any question for me?
Why do you like? You like Rajiv Gandhi?
Rajiv Gandhi? No, Rajiv Gandhi is not here right now. I like Abhijit Deepke, but he is not a politician. So Rahul Gandhi is my second choice. Okay, let's leave this politics. We are just discussing as a friend. Now tell me, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani also.
Okay, why do you like
And
biryani? Like which biryani, veg or chicken?
chicken.
So are you non-veg?
Yes.
Non-vegetarian?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me, Sania, if you have choice that you can eat biryani or pizza, what would you like to choose?
Biryani.
I also don't like pizza because I don't know why, but whenever I have tried, it
I
was
like
not.
pizza
Yeah.
because I ate.
You ate which kind of cheese pizza?
Yes.
I never ate cheese pizza, but there was a pizza which I did not like. So,
There was a
that
pizza.
made me think.
I like that. My father and brother
Brought for you.
brought for me.
Okay. Now tell me one thing. Who is your favorite hero?
You know, I don't like hero, but now SRK
SRK Shah Rukh Khan. Yeah. He is a good person. Why?
because he is very hard worker.
Yeah, he is very hard worker and his personality is also good.
Yes.
Yeah. Do you know the new politician who has become Thalpathy Vijay, Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu?
Yes. He was South hero.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I think he is doing good work. Do you think?
Yes.
Yeah. So our minister should also be the same.
Hmm.
But I don't want to comment on our minister, but I think he is doing better. Okay, now let's go to movies. Which movie is your favorite?
Whenever I don't interested in movie,
Okay.
but nowadays I like कल होना वो जलेबी.
Oh, wow. I have not watched Jalebi movie. So which kind of movie is it? Is it thrilled? or horror? Which kind
No.
of movie?
It is wait and love movie.
Okay, it's love movie, like romantic movie, we can say.
No, no.
No. So there is a love story in the movie. Oh.
And very sad.
Oh. Who is the actor and actress in that movie?
They are not Indian.
They are not Indian. So Pakistani.
No.
So
But I don't know.
okay, they are not from India.
No.
So in which language is that movie? In Hindi only?
Yes.
Okay, I have not watched it. Okay. It was amazing talk with you, Sania. Nice to meet you. Thank you so much.
Thank you and nice to meet you.
Bye.